Hello guys, welcome to Plus Media TV. If you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe and also click the notification bell to get notified anytime we drop a new video.
wọ́n ń wá wa lóòótọ́ náà ń wá mi náà ń wá bàbá Èkìtì náà ń wá awí kòńkò gbẹ̀dú gbogbo wọn mo ní gbẹ̀dú Lawan lé Ọ̀ṣun gbogbo wa náà ń wá èmi ò dẹ̀ rẹ́dí àti gbójú pamọ́.
My people, welcome back. Most of us dey familiar with all these Yoruba nation agitators. We know Awikoko very well and we know Baba Ekiti, Omoluka and Koiki Media. Now most of these people don voice out o. They don come out come talk say DSS don dey pursue them, dey look for all of them. Na Awikoko own we first hear when he tell us as DSS take come in house wey dem no meet am, wey himself dey sneak go house dey sneak come out. Another surprising news na be this one wey Omoluka come talk say people don dey call am say Omoluka, we no see you, we never see you. He kukuma come out talk today say dem dey look for am sef o, say na everybody, all the agitators wey dem dey social media wey dem dey talk about Yoruba nation na dem dey look for. Say wetin he even do for them? He no kill person, na shey na crime for him to come dey say he want Yoruba nation. Say make people dey at alert o. If anything do am, that mean say Nigerian government dem don hold am be that. So him no fit run away and he no fit cover face, but DSS dey find am. No be only this one Omoluka get to talk o. He come give us another shocking thing. He talk say BBC Yoruba dem say na him be the second in command of Chief Sunday Igboho. Say after Sunday Igboho like this, the next person na Omoluka. He say BBC Yoruba and Yoruba Toto, the two of them publish am, call am the next in command for Chief Sunday Igboho. Na Omoluka scatter ground o. Him say how him take be second in command of Sunday Igboho. Say him na ordinary person, na only agitator he be. The only thing be say him be Sunday Igboho fan. Himself dey support Sunday Igboho. Say for him to come dey the level so tey him go come be second in command of Sunday Igboho, say na lie o. He say him know Yoruba people. Na so Yoruba people dey take rope person wey dem go say na him be this, na him be that. Say na ordinary person him be o. Say if dem catch am, he no get any power. On top of that, him come give strong warning to BBC Yoruba make dem know wetin dem go dey carry, make dem no spread fake news about am, because as him dey so him suppose to sue dem, because na lie dem lie against am. Say wetin he no be. Say why dem talk like that na? Shey dem wan make DSS dey follow am? Say e be like say na the comment wey BBC Yoruba make na him make DSS come dey run after am na. Say him be ordinary person, say him no get power. The only thing wey him dey talk say na Yoruba nation, and normally everybody get right to say dem wan go their own way. Even for international law sef, according to Omoluka, he say that one no be criminal offence. So you no come know wetin him do wey DSS dey run after am. Say himself no fit sleep for house, he dey run from house. Say make Yorubas make dem help am, make dem come to im aid. My people, make una lis ten from Omoluka himself wetin him talk about DSS and BBC Yoruba wey dem carry information about am. Say Omoluka na second in command of Sunday Igboho, wey him don deny say no, he no be second in command of Sunday Igboho, he be ordinary agitator. Make una lis ten to him talk.
Kí lẹ ṣe wá? Kí la ṣe? Because we agitate for self-determination. So therefore, you tag us as a secessionist. And we are secessionists. And yet you refuse to dialogue. You refuse to sit down and call those people that are agitating. What do you want? How do you want us to do it? You are not ready to do that. And you are hunting us as if you are hunting a criminal. Am I the criminal? Is Baba Ekiti a criminal? Say criminal ni wani, say Awikoko say criminal ni wani, because we demand for self-determination, which is human rights, which is under international law. Everybody has the right to demand for his freedom, to demand for self-determination. Nigeria, you are hunting us. Ever muwa, continue. So by the time pay Omoluka kúrò nílé, kúrò lọ́nà, kúrò gbogbo, I won't leave. let them come and carry me. ẹ jẹ́ kó máa bọ̀ ẹni tẹ́ bá fẹ́ palẹ̀ máa pa ẹni tá kú á kú. But kíni kan dá mi lójú wípé no matter how you kill people, you cannot kill 50 million Yoruba people. There's no magic you can do. There is no power you want to use that you will have the privilege, opportunity to kill 50 million Yorubas. Oh, ẹ lè ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. You can't. Ẹ lè ṣe ẹ lè pa 50 million Yorubas. Nítorí bá máa mú yín pa 50 million Yoruba, that means you will kill governors, you will kill senators, you will kill ẹ tí ẹ lè rí pa bẹ́ẹ̀ tí ẹ fẹ́ pa senator, pa governor, pa ọba, pa ìjòyè, pa who is who. Ẹ lè pa 50 million. It's not possible for you. So therefore, Yoruba nation will emerge. Nothing will change it. That for that. Ẹ wá ń lẹ́ o ẹ̀yin oníròyìn gànfẹ́ ẹni oníròyìn tá àgbéṣẹ́ rán tó lọ ń jíṣẹ́ tẹ́ ń pariwo kiri Ọmọlúkà ní second in command fún Ìgbòho. Níbo lèmi àti ẹ̀yin ti jọ sọ o BBC, níbo lèmi àti ẹ̀yin ti jọ sọ o Yorùbá Tòótọ́ that I am the second in command to Ìgbòho. Ẹ̀yin alákòóbá tí ń dá parí oṣù, níbo lèmi àti ẹ̀yin jókòó sí láti jọ sọ on a normal ground. I should sue you for this. BBC and Yorùbá Tòótọ́ ẹ̀yin méjèèjì tẹ publish ẹ̀ jáde wípé èmi sọ pé I am the second in command to Sunday Igboho. I should sue you for this. But for the fact of pé I want peace in Yorùbá land ni mo ṣe ń wò yín níran. If not, ó yẹ kí n sue yín kẹ́ dé court. Fún nǹkan tí mi ò bá yín ṣe, tí mi ò bá yín sọ, tí mi àtẹ̀yìn ò just discuss. Is it a crime pé mo l'action tí mo dẹ̀ ní mo kàn ní ni mẹ́rin ní kíní kankan kò sí tí mo ní mi ò lágbá. Tán bá kì mí báyìí ìtọ́ máa jáde ń di mi ni. Ẹ wá gbé mi ṣe pé sáyé báyìí o mo ìdẹni tán lé kiri o, mo dẹni tán lé o. I am not ẹni tó ń bèrè Ọlárẹ̀wájú Abíọ́dún. I am not afraid, but mo mọ Yorùbá, mo mọye ìpè tí mò ń gbà. Ó sọ fún wa pé wọ́n ní second in command, ó sọ fún wa pé wọ́n ní gbákejì Ìgbòho, oríṣiríṣi kọ́. That is why I'm saying this. I have never in anywhere tell anybody that I'm second in command to Igboho. Who am I? I am just an agitator. An agitator that is demanding for self-determination for my people. Speaking my mind and sum up my people. What they cannot say, that is what I'm saying here. So therefore, ẹ má tag mi lórúkọ tí mi ò sọ pé mo fẹ́ jẹ́. Ẹ̀rù ò bà mí o. Tó bá jẹ́ tẹ̀rù lẹ́yìn sọ pé bóyá ẹ̀rù ló ń bà. No. Ẹ̀yin gan lẹ̀rù ẹ̀ ń bà mí. Torí ẹ̀yin lẹ máa bẹ̀ sí ní dìde ogun dìde ọ̀tẹ̀ Ọmọlúkà wípé ó ti sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀dígbàkejì, ó sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀dígbàkejì ìgbà ilẹ̀ máa bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin gan lẹ̀rù ẹ̀ ń bà mí. So please, mo ń sọ fún yín ní gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ wo fídíò yìí. I am not the second in command to Sunday Igboho. I am his follower. And I stand with him 100%. I am a Yoruba agitator. And I am speaking the mind of my people. But just for record purpose, I am never in any way the second. I have never been. Don't appoint me as the second in command. Or I am his second in command. That is, everybody will knows about that. But I'm telling you this, that I'm never in any way the second in command to Sunday Igboho. And I have never said this in anywhere. Yorùbá Tòótọ́ àti BBC ẹ̀yin lẹ fabricate here. And that ti gbọ́ information pé ẹ̀yin méjèèjì ìjọba lẹ ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún you are working for Nigeria láti capture gbogbo àwa wọ̀nyí. That is what you people are doing. I have been told. I have the right to sue you for that. And you will present ibi tí mo ti sọ fún yín bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ present ẹ jáde pé this is the video, this is the camera, this is where we discuss it, that I am the second in command. BBC was in Cotonou and mo dẹ̀ sọ fún pé no video gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ń jà lé lórí. I send them out pẹ̀lú àwọn èèyàn mo send pé no video coverage. At the end of the day wọ́n ya video àmọ́ bí tán gbà wọlé tán ti lọ ya àwọn video tán yà gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ṣe ń bínú tán lọ jáde tán lọ dúdúkúdú pé àwọn di second in command. You asked me to grant you an interview and I reject it, I refuse. I decline it, that I'm not interested in any interview because I'm not here for interview. So ẹ wá lọ sórí afẹ́fẹ́ lọ pariwo ẹ ní second in command. I am supposed to sue you. Tí bá ṣe pé Nàìjíríà porí àwọn tó pera wọn ní ìjọba gan ò dáa ni ká má tún máa fi yẹn máa trace olúwa ẹ̀. If not, I'm supposed to sue you for this. Do you understand? So ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá, anything can happen at any time. Ẹ lè gbọ́pọ́n gbọ́mọ lúkà. Yorùbá agitation must not stop. Ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ dáwọ́ dúró lórí agitation yẹn. Yorùbá must stand. Either you are a man or you are a woman. Ọkùnrin ni ẹ, obìnrin ni ẹ tó jójúlówó ọmọ Yorùbá tó dẹ̀ dúró lásìkò tó ń tí ì rí ẹ mú. Mi ò sọ pé mo fẹ́ dúró kán rí mi mú o. Mọ̀jàmọ̀sálà àmọ́ kíkanjú right? But ebi ò ní bí sá lọ. Ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ilẹ̀ bàbá tèmi ni. I will stay in Yoruba land. Ṣùgbọ́n in case of incasity, wọ́n ṣe máa ń sọ òyìnbó yẹn nílùú mi when I was still young. In case of incasity, tó bá délẹ̀ jẹ́ gbọ́pọ́ngbọ́mọ lúkà tàbí gbé Awíkókó tàbí gbé Èkìtì bàbá Èkìtì tàbí gbé anybody nínú wa, that must not stop the agitation. Ìyẹn ò gbọ́dọ̀ dẹ́rùbà yín, ìyẹn ò gbọ́dọ̀ dáyàjà yín kẹ́ sọ pé torí yẹn ẹ̀ ní ṣe mọ́. You must continue until we achieve that Yoruba nation.